Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a web cache poisoning lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web cache poisoning via FAT-GET request. The lab accepts a GET request that have a body but does not include the body in the cache key. We've got a victim that uses Chrome, and we need to execute alert 1 in the victim's browser. Sweet. Well, let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. Okay, so there's something on the home page. Proxy, HTTP history. We've got this again. Okay, so let's send that to repeater. It's a callback. It's FAT-GET. It makes me think that proxy is there. There's no search. Let's go A equals blah. I don't see anything here. Just out of curiosity. Oh, wait, we do have this A here. We've got a cache hit. Let me put, this is what I should be doing. Miss. Ampersand B equals 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see what happens here. We get a miss. We do have this reflected. But that's not a... Okay. So this isn't it because we got a miss and then a hit. And then this should be, well, it could be either a hit because of what we had before. So it's keyed. So this callback is keyed. So that's not it. But we need something that gets reflected. What if we put callback here? Hey. And that's a miss. So we've got a miss and whatever. And then we send it again. We've got a hit. I modified this. If we get a hit, we do. Okay, so this affects this, but is not keyed. So that's how we're going to get the exploit. So we're going to put here alert, and I can do this because of our cache buster. The victim should never see this. Alert. That's perfect. All right. Sweet. So this will be a fast one. Let's go. We'll start writing our script. Python utils create script that. Take this, paste it, and then we're going to edit it. Vim What is it? Web cache via a vat get. Okay. Let's take the one we did. Unknown. I don't know which one we did yesterday. Not that one. This one? Yeah, this one. Let's take this one and use it as our basis. No, it wasn't this one. It's not keyed. It's not header. Parameter cloaking. Sorry, it was this one. All right, let's close all the ones that I opened. This one. Okay. And we want poison cache. I want to copy all of this. Put it here. And then delete this. Let's import time. Okay. Right here, poison cache. Poison URL. Blog.getResponse. Blog.getResponse doesn't have a body. The question is, I don't want to modify it so it does. So what I'm going to do is callback equals this. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to create a response. So does a request let you put a body? And you actually don't know in a get. Let's try it and see if it'll work. So resp equals request.get poison URL body equals dictionary callback alert. And it is body, right? No, data. Is it body or data? It's data. And I want to return resp. If blog.noProxy else put in the proxies equals utils.proxies verify equals false. Boom. Everything else should be the same. All right, let's give that a try. Again, I don't know Python web. Oh, I can just arrow up. I always forget that. I don't know if this is going to work. But let's give it a shot. Proxy. Ah, it did. Look. And we have it poisoned. Awesome. So we just got to wait for the client to get it, execute the alert, and we'll have this puppy solved. So just to recap right now, what we did was we found this endpoint, this callback. We started playing with it. using this cache buster, and then notice that if we added the same parameter into the body was used in priority, but it wasn't keyed like the URL was, so that we could modify it, get it cached, and then the victim, we got it. The victim would go and see it. All right, let's get our banner. Boom. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.